These empty bottles are all washed and sterilized. The empty bottles reach here and they are ready to be filled. Then they pass to the capper before being sent to the pasteurizer for pasteurization. Like beer, Buddhist people drink bangchang from so long before. Beer is the world's most widely consumed and probably the oldest alcoholic beverage. It is the third most popular drink overall, after water and tea. Beer is made from water and cereal grains, especially the barley is considered as the superior grain for brewing. The production of beer is called brewing, which involves the fermentation of starches, mainly derived from cereal grains, most commonly malted barley, although wheat, maize, and rice are widely used. Malting barley consists of soaking the grain into the water, just enough to activate the enzymes that will convert the starch to sugar. Then the roasting of barley grain takes place, which determines the color and the flavor of the beer. Most beer is flavored with herbs, which add bitterness and act as a natural preservative, though other flavorings such as herbs or fruit may occasionally be included. The fermentation process causes a natural carbonation effect, although this is often removed during processing and then replaced with forced carbonation. It takes 7 to 10 days for maturation. Then the beverage is filtered and tested, which is finally finished as a clear product. Labels are glued onto the bottles and packed in the cartons. Now they are ready to supply to the beer dealers. Beer is sold in bottles and cans. It may also be available on draft, especially in foreign countries. Ara, locally made wine, forms the part of the culture of our nation and is associated with social tradition such as doing picnic and special occasions. However, these days, the beer has been widely consumed by the Burmese people.